a cup of coffee. Today I will be doing a clothes haul from Ajio. So I just got these delivered today and I will be showing you the products that I had got. The first product is this white polka dot shirt. I got this from DNMX. The size is large. When I got this, I had paid a price of 230, but here the price tag it says 700, so I got it for a cheaper price. This is what the product looks like overall. The material is very nice. It's very soft and smooth. It's quite flowy. It's also by Liva, so the material is like a very flowy material. And the packaging was also very nice. Of all the products, the packaging was overall really nice. You can use this product in several styles. You can use it as a formal shirt, or you can use it, or you can leave the last two buttons unbuttoned and you can just tie a knot, so you can turn it into a knot shirt. So this is a very versatile product. It's a very nice product. The other product that I had ordered is very similar to the first product. This is also by from DNMX, a large size. When I got it, I paid a price of 230, but online it says 700, so I got it at a discount. Very cheap and affordable, but the material is very nice. This is also very flowy. It is very similar to the previous product. This is what it looks like, and this is at the back. Even this product is very versatile. You can just wear it as a formal shirt, or you can leave the last two buttons unbuttoned and you can knot it up, so you can turn it into a knot shirt. It's a very versatile product. You can pair it with black jeans and it will look very, very fancy and very formal. It also has a pocket over here, and it has full sleeves and a button, so you can fold up your sleeves if you want to. So this is the second product I had gotten. The third product I ordered was this menswear kurta. It's a shade of burgundy, maroonish shade. It's very traditional. I got this product from Netplay Ethnic, and the size I ordered was medium size. The price I paid for this product was 270, but the actual price of the product is 800, so it was a massive discount. It's a very wonderful product. This is what the product looks like overall. This is from the front, and this is what it looks like at the back. The thing about this product is you can just put it on top of jeans. For men, you can wear it on top of jeans, or you can pair it with a brown jubba or a golden jubba, and that would look very traditional and very fancy. It's a very nice product. The material is also really nice. It's not, you know, like a cheap material. It looks like a very fancy material. So this is what the material looks like. The color is very nice. The buttons also look very ethnic. So this was the third product that I had ordered. The fourth product was this set that I had gotten. This is also a traditional ethnic set. I got this product from Avasa. I'll just show you the tag, 1 second. Okay, so here's the tag. The price online is 2200, but I got this product for only 740 rupees. So this is another massive discount. The thing about Ajio is they have very good products and they sell them at a very cheap prices. This is also a very beautiful product. I'll just show you what it looks like overall. So this is what the skirt looks like from the front, and this is what it looks like at the back. The skirt also has these little tassels, and they match they sort of match the blouse. So this is very beautifully color coordinated. This is what the blouse looks like. It's a very simple blouse. It's not too complicated. So this is what it looks like at the back. Uh, so the blouse also has the same tassels as the skirt, very well color coordinated. It also has these little bells over here. It just has 4 of these. So this is what the blouse looks like, and the size I had ordered was a large, and yes, it is a true to fit size. It fits perfectly well. And this is what the dupatta looks like. The dupatta material is very nice. It's very flowy, very flowy. It's almost like a silkish material. It's very nice. The dupatta is bordered with this golden cloth piece. The bottom of the dupatta has this border. It's the same as the blouse's border. And yes, even the dupatta has tassels in the corners. So this is what the dupatta looks like overall. So considering that I got this as a set, I'd say it was a very good purchase because it was very cheap. It was 2200 and I ended up paying only 740 for this. So yes, it was very affordable and very cheap. Now the next product that I had ordered, I'm just going to put this away. Okay, so the next product that I had ordered were these simple leggings. It's just your basic leggings. I got this from Dreams by Pantaloons. The price it states over here is $3.99, but I bought this for only $2.92. So yes, it was a very good purchase. It's just simple black leggings. The size I ordered was 32, and it's medium. It's ankle length leggings. It's not you know, the full length leggings. It's just ankle length leggings. This is what it looks like, and this leggings material is very nice. So you can see that, you know, once you put it to wash, it is not going to start getting those start collecting the lint on top. It is a very nice material. So this was the other product that I had ordered from Ajio. I had also ordered shoes. I haven't even taken it out of the packaging yet. So I'm just going to remove this wrapping. The products from Ajio are packaged very well. They don't, you know, just they don't just do half work. They do their packaging very well. The delivery is very prompt. So this was a shoe that I had ordered from them. It's pink in color, but it has this sort of a border sort of a thing on top. It has this border sort of a thing. The price we paid for this shoe was $2.94, but you can't really see the tag. But it says the price over here is 1,000. You can see it's marked inside the shoe. It's very clothish material, so you can see that when you wear this shoe, it's not going to, you know, poke at your feet. It's a very soft material, so it is just going to keep your feet safe. Okay, so the size is a 6. But yes, and they also have these sort of textured material over here, so you know that it's a breathable material. It's very stretchable also. You can see that the product stretches quite well. I'd say that this is a really good shoe because you can see all these designs that they have given. It makes the product look that much fancier, and also if you take into consideration the price that I paid for this product, I'd say it is a very good purchase because I got this at a very cheap price. So all in all the products that I had ordered from Ajio, I had paid an extremely less price, lesser than half to be honest. So the prices were very cheap and affordable, and not only that, but the quality of the material is also very good. And all of these products are recognized brands. So also the quality of the material is also very good. I am going to link the products that I had bought in the description box, so you can go and check it out. Also, the packaging of the products was also very good, and the delivery was very quick. So these were the 6 to 7 products that I had ordered from Ajio, and that's it for this video. I will be making another clothes haul video with formal and casual wears in the coming up video. So please make sure that you like, share and subscribe my videos, and that's it for this video.